Music is evolving faster than ever before. Artificial intelligence is now creating songs, beats, even full albums. But this new frontier raises big questions. Who owns AI-made music? Should AI creators pay royalties? And what if the AI never uses any existing copyrighted material? Let's break it down. At the heart of the debate is authenticity and fairness. Music fans want real human connection in their songs. In fact, studies show nearly 80% of listeners believe music should come from human creativity, not just algorithms. When people find out a track they love was generated by AI, many say it changes how they feel about it. One of the biggest legal issues? Most AI music generators learn to create by analyzing thousands of copyrighted songs, often without permission. Artists and labels say if AI tools train on their work, they deserve compensation, just like when someone samples a song. But tech developers caution too many restrictions could slow down innovation and limit the creative potential of AI. So what if an AI creates music without using any copyrighted songs in its training? Maybe it uses public domain music, original data sets, or composes everything from scratch. Legally, this is completely allowed. AI creators can make and share that music freely. But here's a key point. Because the music is fully AI generated, without enough human input, it often cannot be copyrighted. That means no one owns it exclusively, and anyone can use or distribute it. However, if a human adds significant creative input, like writing lyrics, arranging, or producing, the resulting music might qualify for copyright protection. This debate isn't just legal jargon, it affects artists, fans, and the entire music industry. Artists worry AI might flood the market, making it harder to earn a living. Fans want to know if their favorite songs are human-made or not. And platforms have to balance supporting innovation while protecting creators' rights. The future of music is unfolding right now. Should AI-generated music pay respect and royalties to human artists it learned from? Or is creating totally original AI music without copyright issues the way forward? What do you think? Drop your thoughts in the comments like this video, and don't forget to subscribe for more insights on the intersection of music and technology.